Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change application icons on your desktop on Windows 11. So here by default the software or the application will bring their own icon like this. For example, CapCut, Bandicam, and this is the games that I installed on my PC. You can completely change the icon into your preference. For example, let's right click on the CapCut, click properties, and you can search the change icon button. Click it. Now you can browse, you can look for the icon that you want to change. And also you can download a new aesthetic icon, for example from icons8.com. You can try to search like 3D icon, isometric icon, and you can choose the categories. Let's start with the music icon or food and so on. So you can click download and use it into your app icon. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.